You've been feeling blue for a long time. It seems that nothing can make you smile. It happens when you search what you cannot find. I can feel the energy of your vibes, learning from the scars of all your fights, longing for the